to spend all of my money on Switches that you guys voted on. Please pray for my poor wallet.
For the next hour, you guys get to recommend, vote on, and decide what Switches I'll be buying. Max of $1,000, and I hope it doesn't get to that, because that is insane. If you super chat over $5, that is an instant buy. It's 1 hour, so I have to set a timer. 1 hour starts now. First 3 Switches to get recommended in the chat will get voted on right now. Go. I see Aqua Kings, Holy Pandas, Cherry MX Browns. That is sort of cringe, but okay. And the winner of the first Switch poll is Holy Pandas. You guys are boring. Oh, their minimum of 70 packs. $85. Dang, you guys going hard. I haven't had Holy Pandas in like a whole year. Next Switch poll commences now. Boba U4Ts, banana splits, creamsicles. Can you buy those? Kale blues. Ugh. Hate kale blues. And tangerines. I've never used those before. Let's do 5. Garon Lions. That's an interesting one. Navy 1.5. This was a $5 super chat, which means I must buy them at all costs, no matter what. Okay, back to the poll. For the results of the second Switch poll, I'm gonna click on it in 3, 2, 1. Please let it be tangerines. Yes! And we got tangerines coming in at 23 votes, which equals 32% of the votes. I feel like I should do a YouTube poll and a straw poll. So this is what it looks like right now. Total, we have $135. I need someone to recommend me a really weird one. Something you've never seen before. Just out of this world. Garon China Joys. Never heard those in my life. Kale Reds. Those are too basic. Kale fried eggs switch from AliExpress. I'm actually gonna look that up. That's funny. Are these legit? These are hilarious. I'm getting these. I guess we have to vote on them. Neapolitan ice cream switch. I like that. So we've got kale fried eggs, the giant switches, and Neapolitan ice cream. Dura koalas. KTT strawberries. Is there a pizza switch? Does that exist? No such thing. Alright, fried egg on both polls. Between Neapolitan and fried egg, really? No kale big switches? I thought for sure that would be a thing. Fried egg is the winner for everything. For poll number 4, we're gonna go with a theme. The theme of these switches will be animals, but not pandas. Not pandas. Hippos. Okay, hippos are one. Starfish, that's another. I feel like you guys are just lying to me. Okay, these are real. Wolf, I don't believe you, but I'll look it up. No, these aren't real. Garon kangaroos, I believe you. These are real. They're expensive. Wow. Zebra, cat, SpongeBob, cow switches. This is a lie too. Stop. Penguin switches? These are real. Okay. Azure Dragon. This is too complicated to be real. No way. This is a thing. Okay. Cool. Not lubed? That's outrageous. Okay, they look cool. YouTube only lets me make 4 options. So I'm gonna have to ditch one. Which ones don't sound like a cute animal? Penguins are cute. Kangaroos are cute. Starfish. Not cute. Azure Dragon wins on both polls. I'm shocked. So Azure Dragon, $50. Thank goodness I'm not going broke yet. Let's see. I'm gonna go for linear switches only. Ice candy switches. Are those linears? These look just like Aqua Kings. How are these not Aqua Kings? They are linear. It says so right here. Bubblegum 62 gram switches. Because of your super chats, I will be purchasing these beautiful Bubblegum switches. Back to the poll. Results. Ooh, the results are different here. This is interesting. We've got Twitch voting for the Princess Switch and YouTube voting for Ice Candy Linears. And because I'm the person that does not like switches that look like Aqua Kings, I'm gonna go for the Ice Candy Linears. Or would you rather me do both? Ooh. I'm gonna do both. Everything turns out to be $50 each. But shipping is the part that I'm actually scared of. This poll is only tactile switches.
Enemy spotted.
Even though it's torturing myself to do this. This is too many options. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick one. This one. Texi Purple Pandas. Polia. Fried Eggs Evil Hair. I love it. These names are so weird. And Boba U4Ts. Or Magic Girl. Ooh. Boba U4Ts. Seems to be a fan favorite. Always comes back for more. Magic Girl and Kiwis. Since I own those. That seems fun. Just mystery switches. For only $10.50? Oh, heck yeah. Boba U4Ts? Seriously, people? No evil Aries? I'm disappointed. And now I just gotta get some hype switches. We did linear, did tactile. Next is the clickies, which I hate. White owls. I don't know, buy some like banana splits or something. I don't know. Banana splits it is. Kale box whites, good option. I don't know if I like any of these options, but you know, good option. Box navies. Alright, box navies. Kale pinks, those are cute. Novelties sherbets. I feel like I don't know what those are. They are click bars and they are really cheap. I'm just gonna get them out of my own interest. They're cheap because they sound horrible. You know what's gonna sound horrible? Are these mystery switches here. Manito Black. Votes for Odomu Snap Spring. Aye aye. That's ridiculous. But what I can do for you is I can buy one of these keyboards instead of buying 10. Oh gosh, this is a scam site, isn't it? Okay, that's not bad. I'll get one of these. Okay, an hour is over, but I've got to consider these switches. Let's view the results. White owls for everybody. I applaud you.
When all of the switches come, I'm gonna do a huge switch tier list, so make sure you stick around for when that happens and press subscribe right now, or else I'll return them all.
Calculate these totals. Okay, what's the damage on my credit card? A whopping total of $561.55. Ugh, a lot of money. My wallet is just crying. But if you don't see me next week, probably because I'm running away because I got debt. Can we have a moment of silence for my wallet, please? Okay.